So my eyes are primed and we're gonna start putting on our base shades. First one I'm going to use is Crystal Ball, and this is from, it's Reflecting Pool from L'Oreal. I don't know why I called it Crystal Ball. And it's just a really pastel blue. And we're gonna put this all over our lid. Go into the Galaxy Chic palette from BH Cosmetics and go in with Cosmic. It's this purple here, and we're gonna put this in the outer V and into the crease. Used before, I'm just going to blend this in a bit. You want everything to be really light and kind of fluffy looking with the colors. So you can do like soft pinks, you can do like maybe really like one really vibrant color and then really soft everywhere else. It's really up to you and how you want to do it. So I'm going to take this same brush again and I'm going to go in with Electra, just a super light blue. And we're going to put this on the inner corner and meet it with the crease. I feel like we need a bit of pink, so I'm going to go into the Vice palette and go into 1985. And we're going to put a bit of this on the outer corner as well. I'm going to use this color from Tokidoki. It's called Diamante, and it's got these silver glitters in it in light pink base, so it'll add a touch of glitter to this. I'm going to use Jeffree Star's Watermelon Soda. These lipsticks are eye safe, so you don't have to worry about having an irritation or anything like that. So I'm just going to use a little pointed liner brush and take some off the doe foot and do a little wing. Alright, so now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to take this liner from ColourPop called Prance. That's kind of a pastel periwinkle blue. I'm just going to take a small brush with this and fill them in. Throw on a little bit of roller lash to give my eyes a bit of definition. Now it's time to start the actual face paint itself. So I'm going to go in with a white first, and I'm just using some water activated paint, so I'm just making sure my brushes are really clean because I don't want to mix colors. So I just dip it in water and then wring it out on a cloth. Brush is already wet. I'm going to pick up some of the Wolf water activated paints, and we're going to start making our drips. So this process is pretty repetitive. I am just going to play some music so you guys can see how it's done. To add a little bit more color, I'm going to add some sprinkles with some purple paint. So we're just gonna do little marks like this. So for the lips, I'm going to use Breakfast at Tiffany's from Jeffree Star, and it kind of matches the teal. To add a little bit down below and kind of create a balance, I'm going to do some freckles with a watermelon soda. Alright, so now I'm going to throw on the wig and costume, and I'll meet you guys back here.